In this problem, which table creates the graph below? So you have choice A, B, C, and D. Which table creates the graph below? Look at the graph. It's going right here. What you can do is go through each of the tables and try to create an equation, a linear equation that matches this. So for example, we'll lower that down and go to a pen. We'll go here. In the first one, you can choose 2 points. You can choose 0, 40 and 2, 33. We have done this already and taken a test over it in the first or second 9 weeks. This isn't anything new. The multiple choice with the graph, that's just a different way to represent it. So given 2 points, you have to create a linear equation. So from those 2 points, you must be able to find the slope. The formula for slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. If you let this be the first point and this the second, then you end up with the following numbers in the formula. It'll be 33 minus 40 over 2 minus 0. So you end up with a slope that is negative 7 over 2. Then once you have the slope, you have to go back and fill that in to the linear equation, y equals mx plus b. Still, this isn't anything that we haven't done before. Put in the slope, y equals negative 7 over 2, x plus b. b is the y-intercept. Then plug in one of your 2 points, either this one or this one. I'm going to use 233, so I have 33 in for y and 2 in for x. And from there I solve for b. So 33 equals 2 cancel out, top and bottom, negative 7 plus b. Move the negative 7 to the left, make it plus 7, and you end up with b. So 40 equals b. This is the y-intercept for that table that we just chose. It is this one. We came up with a y-intercept of 40. Is 40 going to be the one that this line crosses at? Here is 40. Does the red line cross at 40? No. You can go through the rest of these items and figure out if you can find the y-intercept from these that will match up with approximately here. And it looks like it's going to cross in the negative area, just above negative 20. The right answer for this is B. The answer is B because if you look at the point negative 2, 10 here, it matches up by going over negative 2 and then down 10 here. So you can find the y-intercept for each of these, or you can pick out points on the graphs from the tables that match up with this line. Either way you choose to do it is up to you. The right answer for this one is B. For this problem, the popular choice seems to be A. And let's see if we can figure out why. If we go to 0, negative 2, we go over 0 and then down 2. Notice that this is 0 and down 2 is approximately there. If we go over 4 and then down 34, that matches up as well. So the answer for this one should be A. In this problem, which data set is represented in the 3D pie chart below? Is it A, B, C, or D? Which data set is represented in the pie chart? Well, look at your biggest area there. You have blue. Is this light blue 50% or more of the pie chart? No. So here's the key over here. This is light blue. There. That's E. Could 60 represent that light blue area? No. Could 30 represent that light blue area? This light blue area is just a hair under 50, so no. So you've narrowed your choices down to 2. So it could be 41 or 46 here. Now, look at another piece. The green area here. And I'm talking about this little sliver there. Look at the green area. That is represented by which letter? C. So here is C. Now C is 2 here and 1 there. Can we make a determination from that? No. Alright, so let's go look at this. How about red? Red is B. We have 16 and 13. Can you make a decision from that? That's the biggest difference we have in there. We have 24 and 25 there. Take a look at this. We have D, purple. That could be 13 or 19. That's a difference of 6. That's purple, and here is B. Remember, B is the red. Are these two the exact same thing? Which one is bigger? B, yeah, the red is bigger. So it's not going to be 13, which would eliminate this one. So the choice is A. The popular answer on this one seems to be A. Let's see if that works out. Let's eliminate something first. In terms of this light blue area here, which is represented by E, is that going to be 75%? No. Is that going to be 50%? No. So A is still alive. Then we can go look at some other stuff here. We have the A's within choices A and C. We have 20 and 25. 11s won't help us out much. They're both the same in the B's. But the D's, the D is purple, and D is 19 in A and 15 in C. For this one to be right, if this were 15, 15 goes into 75 5 times, into 90 6 times, and you still have 10 left over. Can you fit 6 of these into that pie chart? Or go to 19. 19 goes into 57 3 times, 76 4 times, and 95 5 times with 5 left over in regard to the 100. Could you fit 5 19s in there? Could you fit 5 of these purple? Another thing you could look at would be the C's. You have 13 and 11. The difference there is only 2. The correct answer for this should be A. In this problem, which 3D pie chart matches the data set listed at the bottom? Here is the data set at the bottom. Which 3D pie chart represents that? You can pick out an item. You need an E, which is 72, which of course is not on there. And they're the same color coordination as the other problems that we had. E was light blue. And I'll make that adjustment before we get to the test. But you have A. A is the dark blue. B is the red. Here's B. If B is the red, which is the only pie chart up here that could be the right answer? C. Alright, which 3D pie chart matches the data set listed at the bottom? Okay, for E, remember E was which color? Light blue. So we're talking about that thing. We need something that is 58%. Is that 58%? No. Is this 58%? No. Is this 58%? No. So that one is an easy one, D.